Hello friends, on behalf of CRB the Society, I welcome you all. My name is Kalyan. Today we are going to look into an interesting idea shared by the teachers of Himachal Pradesh under the program Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today we are going to look into the case study Maintenance of School Resources, under which we are going to look into the idea Enlightening Children's Literature. In the school there are variety of books which is there, but the children are able to use only the books pertaining to the academics. So the rest of the books which the school would have received like a donation or some kind of gift from a number of authors are not being utilized properly or not being used for enlightening the children's knowledge. This particular activity is used to ensure that these books are being read by the children and they are able to enlighten that knowledge with respect to the subject. This activity goes in such a way that a particular day in a month is being scheduled for this thing, and the teacher ensure that as per the class or as per the requirement of the student, books have been sorted and which is kept in the library within the classroom with the name of the books neatly written. The torn pages have been pasted and it's covered and it's kept in the place, so that the students are able to read these books on the second Saturday or on any other period where the teacher is not available in their free period or on any special occasions. So they would be able to read these books and understand what is there in the book, and they also through this means they are able to enlighten their knowledge apart from the school resources and whatever the knowledge given in the school books. There would be a variety of books which will be given to the school like Panchatantra, Moti, Champak kind of thing. Apart from it, there will be a number of variety of education books also which would be given to the school. So children use this particular opportunity to spend more time with the books and start learning through self-learning. This particular activity it makes everyone to be it makes everyone to begin the cycle of self-learning and exploring into new books. I would request you to implement this particular activity in your class as well as in your school. I would also request you to like and subscribe our YouTube channel ZIIEI and also like our Facebook page ZIIEI. Thank you for watching.